Hey people, for today's life motivation,
you have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet.
they say when people ask for closure, they are just waiting for something to hold on or hoping that something might change in favor of them, and others just walk away. Well, there are two key points about closure. First is the visual. The action given to you is the only closure that you'll be needing. The way they treat you versus the words that is being said. Talk is cheap and actions are expensive. You will just have to take a step back to analyze it and see it. Second key point is title. Sometimes there are also people who are verbal. They need a triggering word to wake up the mind that things have already ended. It's like when you finish a movie, at the end it says fin. So you know that the movie has already ended. The word fin at the end of the movie is what verbal people hold on to. So when they know that word already, that is the time that they can walk away. Or maybe they have realized that it has already ended. It's like an electric current that flows from your mind to your heart to align yourself to walk away.